Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lokesh Kapoor here. Kling 3.0 has just entered early access and it's already shaking up the AI video space. We're talking native audio, real character consistency with Omni, longer, stable clips, and tools that finally make AI feel like a real production assistant. If you're creating shorts, arts, cinematic edits, or story based videos, this update can easily cut your workflow time in half. In this video, I'll break down what's actually new in Kling 3.0, how it compares to Kling 2.6, and how you can start using it today. Stay till the end, this one's important. Quick disclaimer before we begin. Kling 3.0 launched in exclusive early access around January 31st, 2026. So not every feature is available to everyone yet. Everything you'll hear here is based on official release notes, early user tests, and community feedback from platforms like Higgsfield. I'll clearly separate what's confirmed and what's still rolling out. No hype, just facts, so you can plan your content properly. Where Kling 2.6 stands today. Let's start with context. Kling 2.6 is still very strong for short cinematic clips. It delivers solid realism and works well for quick ideas, experiments, and social content. You get good motion in simple scenes, decent prompt understanding, and videos up to about 10 seconds at 1080p. But creators hit limits fast. Motion breaks in complex interactions like hands touching objects, fast camera moves, or layered action. Character identity drifts between shots and the workflow feels fragmented. Generate, refine, reprompt, repeat. There's also no native audio, so syncing voice or music is manual. For longer stories or professional edits, it becomes patchwork. And that's exactly why Kling 3.0 matters. What's new in Kling 3.0? Kling 3.0 isn't just one model, it's a unified system. Video 3.0, Image 3.0, and Omni. Here's what confirmed. Native audio-visual sync. This is huge. Generated videos now come with audio built in. Sound matches motion. Lip sync, ambience, and timing feel natural. No extra tools. No manual syncing.
I love pizza!
Longer, more stable clips. Kling 3.0 pushes clip length to 15 seconds with much better stability. Characters and scenes hold identity longer without drifting or breaking. That alone unlocks real storytelling. Omni Workflow, the real game changer. Omni makes the system context aware. You can lock in characters, wardrobe, lighting, and props. Upload references once and the model remembers them across shots. No more re-anchoring every scene, this saves massive time. Quality and realism upgrades. Early tests show cleaner realism, smoother motion, and better physics. Hands, hugs, and object interactions feel natural. Melting artifacts are far less common, close-ups are sharper too. Skin texture, fabrics, reflections, everything looks more filmic. Image 3.0 already supports higher resolutions and Video 3.0 is clearly moving toward pro-level outputs. Multi-shot continuity is stronger thanks to intelligent storyboard tools that keep logic intact across scenes. Why this matters for creators? Early outputs feel closer to editable footage, not just AI demos. If you create narrative videos, ads, brand content, or mini films, this is a big shift. Imagine generating a character walking through a city, same outfit, same lighting, same face across 3 shots without reprompting, or producing a dialogue scene with native audio already baked in. That's the workflow creators have been asking for. How to use Kling 3.0 right now. If you want early access, especially faster or less restricted usage, head to Higgsfield.ai. They're already integrating Kling 3.0 with pro storyboard tools and workflow accelerators. On the homepage, you'll see end-to-end creation, text to video, image to video, Motion controls. Inside the creator dashboard, you can upload reference images to lock character consistency, choose motion styles, and add audio text for native sync. Everything aligns with Omni's unified approach. Less fragmentation, more professional output. The playground is perfect for fast testing, templates, iterations, repeat runs. Pro tip, build short libraries here for consistent branding. Kling 2.6 is great for short clips but limited for storytelling. Kling 3.0 steps up with native audio, omni context, 15-second stability, better physics, and element locking. This isn't just about prettier videos. It's about a faster path from idea to final cut. Prep checklist, sign up for early access. Build element libraries now. Test multi-shot prompts. Experiment with native audio. Kling 3.0 is finally delivering what creators wanted: consistency, control, and pro level output. Comment below which feature are you most excited for: native audio, longer clips, or omni consistency. Subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. I'll share a full hands on once wider access opens. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.